By way of introductions, we'll begin by asking ourselves some very vital questions. And I would like you to also ask yourself these questions because it will be very important that you define yourself and why you are here. It's going to help you to take this course very serious and also help you understand the future of what you're about to embark on. So the question is, what am I doing here? For some of us, fresh graduate out of school, maybe you're looking for a direction, a career path. Excel templates could be something you will start with, and that would help you find a path that you are passionate about. You can start by building simple tools that will help business, SMEs, small businesses to maintain their simple data entry, bookkeeping, inventory, fixed assets, what have you. So as a fresh graduate, Excel templates can be of immense help to you. You could be a professional, young person who is already working, but you feel and you know that there could be more to streamlining your workflow and also to enable you increase efficiency in your daily tasks. Now, knowing how to build Excel templates can help you achieve this. You don't have to waste a lot of time doing repetitive tasks, what you do every day. You can streamline your workflow. You can also increase efficiency, be more productive when you learn how to build Excel template. Or you could be a seasoned professional aiming to enhance your existing skills. Maybe you've been working with a different capacity already, and you think that maybe, or for example, you have team that work under you, a group of persons that work under you, and you know that when you learn this template building, you can, manage data properly, and more effectively. If you have project tasks you are doing every week, building templates can help you, manage data and generate quick and very dynamic reports. And you could be an employee who always work with Excel. There is no standard software in your organization and everything has to be done on Excel or manually. You can improve significantly your productivity level and accuracy if you can just learn to create custom templates tailored to meet your needs and the needs of those working with you. You don't have to waste a lot of time to put together reports for management. You can customize these things and it will give you a very robust report. Or you're an employer, you want to find cost-effective ways to optimize your business operations. Excel templates can help you automate routine tasks for your team members, for your staff, and if you learn how to do that, you can leverage on it, to enhance productivity for your employees. So as an employer of labor, business owner, Excel templates can be very useful to you and it can reduce the time wastage by your own staff. Maybe you're a freelancer or a consultant looking to add more value to your services. If you can be able to master Excel templates, I tell you for free that you can offer more efficient and professional solutions to your clients. You can offer more efficient and professional solutions to your clients. This can be a very good use to you if you're a freelancer. You meet a lot of SMEs, a lot of medium-sized companies who have robust softwares, but there is a challenge here or there or in this department. You can come in as a consultant and fill up those gaps by introducing customized Excel templates for them. Or you run a small business where you manage every aspect of your business, from inventory, from raw materials to storage to production to sales. Everything is under your custody. You don't have to kill yourself with this data. Customized templates can help you manage all these things, and you will see it as we progress in this training. Or you're a student trying to prepare for your final exams, trying to look at how you'll be more relevant in the job market. You can gain advantage, you can gain competitive edge and be more attractive to potential employers if you can begin to have this skill, learn this skill gain the skill on how to build templates, on Excel, this can give you a very good advantage over your peers. Or let's say you're a data analyst already, you want to optimize data management processes. I tell you for free again that if you can build a Excel template, it can streamline what you do as an analyst and help you to manage your tasks. So welcome on board to this training, and it's very important that you understand what exactly you are doing here. It's something that you can learn and gain advantage while you work. Or you are an administrative professional, HR, operation expert, logistic expert, fleet manager, inventory manager, and you want to improve productivity. Learning to create efficient Excel templates will help you handle these tasks more effectively. Or you just want to be an Excel instructor, you want to train people on how to build Excel templates. Yes, if you are good in training people, you can teach others. This is another way to earn revenue by instructing others or teaching them how to build and create these templates. You can be an entrepreneur. You want to start a business of selling off-the-shelf Excel templates. You want to create high quality, ready to use templates that can help individuals and businesses to save time and improve their productivity. Yes, Excel templates can be sold off the shelf. You can build customized templates for budget, inventory, fixed assets, task manager, project manager, anything you can think of, around business solutions. You can build solutions for business owners, for individuals, and you sell them online off the shelf, so you can be an entrepreneur selling Excel templates. Or you can be a freelancer who customizes templates for companies, corporations, for a fee. You can just get specifications, get a brief or a case study from a client, and you customize tailored made solutions on Excel, which I have done over the years. I have done this aspect of work over the years. You go to a company, they have an issue, you sit down, understand what the issue is, and you customize easy templates for them to use and solve that problem. Yes, you can be a freelancer aiming to customize templates for your client. Or you can be a consultant, who want to expand your services to include Excel template optimization. Yes, you can optimize Excel templates for your clients. You give them advantage in terms of what they can use and generate easy to use reports. So you can help them provide solutions that is tailored to their own business processes. That can be a service you can render for your client. And for me and my team, we are here to help you to achieve all these things. Whatever you have planned to be, whatever you want to do with this training, our job here is to ensure that you get maximum value for the money you've paid for and you achieve your goal as an Excel template builder or instructor or consultant or what have you. So thank you. I hope you found the reason why you are here, and I hope you note the things you want to do after this course, and I also hope that you get the most out of this course. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.